Hello guys, DJ Hyper all the way from Philippines. Hello everyone, mga kasolid FM, solid BRT FM. Maraming salamat po. And sa si site owner DJ Class and Los DJ Dachi, maraming thank you po. At sa lahat mo ng staff at admins, listeners, members, at happy 9th year anniversary of BRTFM. Sana marami pang year na samahan at successful every year. Naka 9 years na po kayo, tayong lahat. At thank you din sa mga admins mong nandyan po lahat. Nandyan pa rin sila hanggang ngayon. Sana maging maayos din ang pagtakbo mula 2020 pa. No? Okay. Aming thank you po. At sa lahat po na nakisaya mula 23 hanggang sa next 23, 24, 26, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, diba? And ever. Alright, thank you so much. I love you all. God bless and more powers and successful event and anniversary, 9th year anniversary. Alright, God bless everyone. I love you all.